Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all the basic procedure of how to crimp cat6 network cable using RJ45 connector. So now I'm going to unbox the required components of a LAN connection purchased through online in Amazon. So starting with first component, this is cat6 D-Link networking cable box of 100-meter cable in it. The cost of this box is 4,900, but in Amazon it's available at 2,699. Then we can see the D-Link RJ45 connector. The cost of this box is 590, but in Amazon it's available at rupees 390. There is 100 units, means 100 connectors inside it. Then we can see the Smart Pro network cable tester. It is multi-purpose RJ45 network cable tester. It is a battery-powered, highly portable, has wide compatibility, fault detection and connectivity verification. The cost of this set is rupees 499. It is available in Amazon for below 300 rupees. Then we can see the modular crimping tool along with the network cable cutter. So it cuts, strips and crimps RJ45 cable. It is a crimping tool used for 4P, 6P, 8P, 3-in-1 crimpers it is used. It is hard and durable enough to crimp the network cables for using magnetic steel. The mouth of the press pliers is made of high quality steel. It has a sharp blade, tangent wire, shielded wire and PVC handle. And along with this crimping tool we can see network cable cutter. It is used for easy cutting and removing the insulation of the cable. So the cost of this set is around 250. Now I'm going to cut the required length of this cable and then bring all of this to my table. Now I'm going to show the procedure of connecting cat6 cable to RJ45 connector. Now to remove the insulation of cable, I'm using network cable cutter. Now we can see this cat6 means category 6 cable, which has 4 twisted pair of sheathed copper wired cable that can support data transfer rates of up to 1 gigabytes. This cat6 cable is used for connecting devices to a local area network. So now I'm going to cut this mid plastic insulation using cutter. Now next I'm going to untwist all of the pairs. Next we need to straighten it in correct order. So let us observe the color code chart, and according to the color code order we need to set it correctly. So firstly as orange white, then orange, then green white, then blue, blue white, then green, then brown white and brown. We need to straighten the best we can. Next, by watching the length, we need to cut off the extra strands by giving a straight cut using crimping tool. Now I'm going to connect this cable to RJ45 connector by pushing in correct order firmly until it reaches till top, touching the end of the connector. Now I'll place this to the crimping tool and crimp by squeezing the handle of the crimper. I've done the connection to the other side of the cable too. So now I'm going to test this cable using network cable tester. This cable tester checks all 8 wires individually. It checks connections and shows whether it is wired up correctly or not in both ends in right order. It does this by sending a pulse down each wire in turn from the master to the remote. So here let's watch this sequence going from 1 to 8. So here it shows
that the connections I did are correct.